Coming into a comfortable seated meditation position. Palms rest on the knees, palms face up. Grounding down through your sit bones, and from that point, lengthening your spine tall. Shoulders slightly open but relaxed. Head and neck are tall. It's as if you're lifting your crown towards the sky, the crown of your head. And feeling into the earth underneath you. Notice how it feels to be sitting right now. Noticing your breath and how it flows. Noticing without judgment, without creating a narrative or a story. If the breath is deep, it's deep. If it's shallow, it's shallow. If it's soft, it's soft. If it's jerky, it's jerky. Just notice. I'd like you now to think of one moment in your life that you feel deeply grateful for. It can be any moment from any time of your life. It could be last year, this year, yesterday, or today, any time, any moment. And once you found that moment, I want you to experience that moment like you're experiencing it again, looking through your own eyes. And just feeling deep gratitude for that moment or experience. Let the gratitude build within you as you look through your own eyes, experiencing that moment again. Gratitude is building, and possibly a smile starts to light up your face. Or maybe it's a smile more coming from within as gratitude builds. And building the gratitude a little bit more. And we'll move on to a second moment now. So thinking of a moment, an experience, a time of your life where you feel deeply grateful for. It could be the moment you were born, a time in your childhood, your teenage years, or your adulthood. It could be any moment. And once you found that moment, looking through your own eyes like you were experiencing it again for the first time. Really enjoying that gratefulness, letting it build, breathing into it. And we'll move on to a third and final grateful moment now. So thinking of another moment in your life that you feel deep gratitude for. And when you found that moment, looking through your own eyes as if you were experiencing that moment, that time again. Breathing. Maybe the smile is starting to grow a little bit bigger on your face as you appreciate that moment and these experiences. Letting the gratitude build. Nice, awesome. And from here we'll take a breath in. Breathing in, hold breath for a moment, and exhale. letting the breath regulate naturally, freely. And feeling grateful. Gratefulness is a powerful emotion. It's a great way to appreciate our life and the experiences we've had in life. It's a great way to appreciate others and the people within our life, or the people that aren't in our life. Breathing, noticing, feeling, breathing, noticing, feeling. And let's finish this meditation with 3 breaths together. Let's start with an exhale. Exhaling. Inhale. Spine is growing with the breath. Exhale. Happier inhale this time. Inhale. Exhale. Last one with a nice big happy smile. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. I hope you have a beautiful, happy day.